Greetings everyone, welcome to your own channel, Anup Mishra Genius Labs, and we are doing PYQs on aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So let's continue with the next question on your screen. Question number 18. This question was asked in 2003 screening examination in J exam. The product of acid hydrolysis of P and Q can be distinguished by. Now remember, when you talk about compound P, you have CH2 double bond C O CO CH3 and the other one is CH3 C double bond C O CO CH3. Now these both the compounds are consisting of esters. अब esters को अगर आप break करोगे तो क्या बनेगा? Esters को break करोगे तो corresponding acid और alcohol निकल के आएंगे, right? So the question is product of acid hydrolysis of P and Q can be distinguished. First case में क्या मिलेगा मुझे? CH2 double bond COH, जिसको अगर आप convert करते हो तो वहाँ से बना सकते हो acetone. Tautomerize करेंगे क्या बनाओगे? acetone. Second case में आपके पास है CH3 CH double bond CHOH, which is actually an aldehyde. So, अब देखो कौन सी चीज ऐसी जो एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन को डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए काम आ सकती है. ऑप्शंस आपके पास है ल्यूकास टेस्ट, 2,4-DNP, NaHSO3 and Fehling solution. So what is the right option? Fehling solution, because Fehling solution will not be able to give reaction with ketones but will definitely be able to give reaction with aldehydes. When it comes to 2,4-DNP, 2,4-DNP can give test with both of them because it's dinitrophenylhydrazine, okay, which can combine and give the test with both of them. Lucas reagent is completely irrelevant option because that's mainly for alkyl halide for 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree relatively, right? So this is a detailed question. I think we can come to each and every part and understand all the things in detail. I hope you understood the question. So good question. Coming to one more big question, question number 19 on the screen. First of all, I would request everyone to please look at this question carefully. इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से observe करो कि question में given क्या है. So there are two rings. And this is a kind of biphenyl compound with CHO, 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 CHO. 4 CHOs connect कर दिए. NaOH given है आपको 100 degree Celsius पे, which is in a way link for, or we can say it is showing kind of Cannizzaro. And then H plus water is trying to give you some kind of hydrolysis, right? So this is the question all about. Now look at the options carefully. If you see option number one, there are COH, COH, everything is becoming COH. Option B, one is becoming COH, other is becoming OH, so in front of each other, right? So can we say if you apply Cannizzaro reaction can convert the corresponding aldehyde without alpha hydrogen into two things, right? One is alcohol and corresponding acid. So which option is closely resembling with the given logic? And always consider the second step also where H plus and water is given. So can we have ester kind of formation or hydrolysis will keep it open? तो ये सब ध्यान में अगर आप रखोगे तो आपको यहाँ पे समझ में आएगा कि इसका जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल सिनेरियो बन सकता है, जो इसका बेस्ट पॉसिबल आंसर बन सकता है, वो है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. ओके, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. इथाइल एस्टर. इथाइल एस्टर क्या होता है? C2H5, ओके, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 और C2H5 C डबल बॉन्ड O C2H5. कौन सा ऑप्शन ठीक है? R प्राइम, R की वैल्यू को पता है, राइट? सो इथाइल एस्टर बना लेंगे. CH3 MgBr से रिएक्शन कर रहे हो एक्सेस अमाउंट से, तो एस्टर कितने मोल्स लेता है? अभी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. अगर कोई पास एल्डिहाइड कीटोन है तो 1 मोल लेगा. Esters can take 2 mole, and if you have a compound like double bond O and then both sides single bond oxygen, that can take 3 moles of attack. So esters can take 2 moles of attack. That means 2 CH3s can join. So which option makes a lot of sense where 2 CH3s have joined, 1 CH5 is already there? ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे जो आपको यहाँ पे लॉजिकल ऑप्शन लग रहा है? Look at the options carefully. Look at option number A carefully. Option number A is CH3 C CH3 CH3 OH. I think that makes sense because when you attack on this ethyl ester, right? So or of course one CH3 will join, one CH3 will remain, and 2 more CH3 have joined here, right? So which option will make sense? Option number A. Coming to question number 21, an enantiomerically pure acid is treated with a racemic mixture of an alcohol having 1 chiral carbon. Chiral carbon मतलब ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव कार्बन. आपके पास एनर्जेटिकली प्योर यानी कि इधर वो R फॉर्म है या S फॉर्म है, एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म है. आप रेसमिक मिक्सचर ऑफ अल्कोहल से रिएक्शन कर रहे हो, लेट्स से R और S का मिक्सचर से रिएक्शन कर रहे हो, तो RR भी बन सकता है और RS भी बन सकता है. अब बताओ अगर RR और RS दोनों बने तो मेरा जो कंपाउंड हुआ वो कैसा कंपाउंड होगा? Will it be a meso compound? Will it be a pure enantiomer? Will it be a racemic mixture? Will it be optically active mixture, or we can say distereo mixture, which is the most logical conclusion to this question. So if you understand this clearly, option will be A, right? Because वो diastereomeric form में जाएगा और आप option mark करेंगे इसका option number A. I hope you understood this question. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Keep liking, subscribing and sharing with your friends as well. Thanks a lot.